This activity is aimed at Year 7 students, and I would use it at the beginning of a lesson to just revise and maybe even see where the students are at with recognising fractions. So this activity practices recognising fractions in the visual form, spoken form, written form, which are all really important. You know, and you don't just have to use it for Year 7 students, you can make it more difficult to, you know, so yeah, you can adapt it. So, the rules for this activity. The teacher will start with a card and finish with a card, right? There'll be a diagram, whatever that diagram represents, the student will have to say what that fraction is. Now this is good for the teacher because they can assess where the students are at. So for example, that's a half. Some students might say 1/2, is that correct? You know, so you need to fix the way that they say how they say them. So that's the diagram. Then they'll say who has whatever their written fraction is, so that it's 4/5. And then the person that has 4/5 represented in their diagram will say, oh, I have 4/5, and so on. And it'll work around until it comes back to me. Okay, so let's have a quick go. I have a half who has 4/5. So now you'd say, I have 4/5.
I have 4/5 who has 7/10.
I have 7/10 who has 3/4.
Does anyone have 3/4 on their diagram?
I have 3/4 who has 1 whole.
I have 1 whole who has 6/7.
I have 6/7 who has 2/6.
I have 2/6 who has 7/8.
I have 7/8 who has 3/9.
I have 3/9 who has 4.
I have 4/9 who has 4/4.
I've got 1 whole who has 2/4.
I have 2/4 who has 3/8.
I have 3/8 who has 5/7.
I have 5/7 who has 5/5.
I have 5/5 who has 8/8.
I have a whole who has 4/6. I have 4/6 who has 5/6.
I have 5/6 with a 5/9.
What was that?
5/9.
5/9. Who was 5/9? No one has 5/9. I didn't have 5/9. Anyway, I'm sure. I was told to use all 54 cards, but I think we understand how it works. So then I would get back to, I have a whole, or whatever the final thing is. And I think it'll be good for students to see that 4/4 is a whole, 5/5 is a whole, you know, and they can see that on their diagram. So yeah, that's the activity. Thank you.